Today we are going to look at how we create assignment spaces in MUELE, or what other people call assignment folder in MUELE. Assignment folders help lecturers to put up an assignment in MUELE, and it enables students to be able to upload their assignment in that folder, so that such that a lecturer is able to collect the files, the response files from students from one folder. So that's the importance. You create an assignment space where students are able to upload their responses. This time they don't type in MUELE like the way it is done in discussion forum, but here they work from computer, save their files on the computer, then they upload in that assignment space that you would have created. So the first thing we do is you have to turn editing on. After turning on editing, you come, I want to put it under here, so I'll come and say add an activity. As you can see, assignment, it is the first one, so you click on it and say add. When you add it, it is going to ask you assignment name, so I'm going to say listening assignment, and I'm going to put here discuss the different types of listening. That is my question. Discuss the different types of listening. And here, allow submission from, I will leave it, allow submissions from 12 July. I will leave it enabled. And due date 19th. If you want, you can change, but what I want to do, I want to set, to enable here cutoff. Cutoff here, when you enable cutoff, that means, for example, if I enable it and I set cutoff to be 20th, that means any submissions which comes after 20th, the system will not allow it. That means students have to submit before 20th. And now remind me to grade. So this one, the system will remind you to grade your assignment. If you want, you can enable it. If you don't want, you can unenable it. But I think it is better we enable it to remind the system to remind us. Submission types. Now that we want students to upload files, it's better we tick file submission. Maximum number of uploaded files. It is the lecturer to determine how many files should the students submit. If you want one, you can say one. If you want two, it depends on you. Maximum submission size. The maximum, how big should the file be? You can also set it through here. Accepted file types. It is better we leave this space as it is to allow any type of file to be uploaded. Then you come down and say save and return to the course. So as you can see, the assignment space has been created, or what other people call assignment folder is already put here. So let me try to switch roles to students and see if I will be able to submit. So as you can see, now I'm here as a student from here. So when you come here and say listening assignment, when you click on it and you scroll down, you are able to see add submission. But it also reminds due date 19th July, because the deadline is 20th and the time remaining is here short. So if I want to submit, I'll click on add submission and come and choose the file that I want to submit. Choose the file that I want to submit. For example, if I want to submit this, open here, for example, if it is assignment, you can say individual assignment or group assignment. You give it the name here if you're a student, and after you upload. As you can see, it is here. My file is there, but that does not mean that it is already uploaded. It is until you click on save changes that it shows submitted for grading. So there you're sure that your file is submitted. Now you're seeing edit submission because deadline is still on, but if deadline passes, you'll not be able to see it. Thank you for listening to me, but that's the way we create assignment spaces in MUELE.